Welcome. Question number 8B of Liberia General Mathematics 2025. A man standing 50 meters from a vertical pole observed that the angle of elevation of the top of the pole is 22 degrees. The foot of the man and the base of the pole are on the same horizontal level. If the height of the man is 2.2 meters, we have to illustrate the information on the diagram and calculate the height of the pole to the nearest word, meters. So first thing first, let's indicate the position of the pole and that of what? The man. Let's first pick our horizontal ground. We were told they are on the same horizontal ground. So this is the ground. Then if a man is standing with a height of 2.2, so the man could have the 2.2 not drawn to scale. Then let's see, we are seeing a pole somewhere here, all on the same ground. Then he decided to observe the top of the pole from where the man is. All these not drawn to scale. So this is what we are having. This is the pole, this is the man, and observe the top of the pole with an angle of elevation. An angle of elevation is angle from the above a horizontal line. So there should be a horizontal line at where the man is. Then if that is there, I can now conclude that this is my 22 degree angle, right? This is going to be right angle, same as this, and all of them. So this is going to be the same as 2.2 meters because that is more or less like a rectangle. So we need to find the position here so that we can add it to the 2.2 to know the total height of the pole. All right, let's see if there's another information given. The man standing 50 meters from a vertical pole. The man is here, the pole is here. So you have 50 meters, the same as the 50 meters. So in this case, I can apply the angle is facing here at the opposite. This is the adjacent. So I will be making use of the tan, which is the TOA. So I am just going to have the tan 22 degrees equals to the opposite side x over the adjacent 50. Let's cross multiply. This will come here as x equals to 50 times 22 degree. We can put that in your calculator as 50 times the tan 22, and that will be giving you 20.20. Let's make it like this. That's 20.201, not 20. So this is the value of the x from where the height of the man is. But we are looking for I think this is just the Roman number 1. This is going to be Roman number what? 2. So we are looking for the height of the pole. So we can say that the height of the pole is going to be the height of the man, which is 2.2 meters, plus the 20.201 or meters. If we add this will be 22.40, right? Let's cross check. We have 20.201 plus 2.2, that will be 22.401 meters. But we are leaving the answer in the nearest meters. So this is going to be 22 meters. So in all, the height of the pole is 22 meters. And I think the rest of it can also surface from there. Like, share, comment, and come back for question 9A.